Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm back here with Brian Weber from Weber Automotive. We just did a video on, air conditioning repair, and the reason it's expensive. You're going to want to check that out because there's a reason that it's gone up. But what if I decide, what if my compressor sort of mess up and I'm like, I'm just not going to fix it. What happens if I don't repair my air conditioner compressor?
Yeah, because that's an expensive replacement. There's no doubt. That's one of the most expensive things you can do on the whole system. But so if it goes bad, and let's just say it's wintertime, and you go, well, I don't really care. I don't use my air conditioning in the wintertime. Yeah. What do I need it for? Well, there's two things. There's the air conditioning compressor is belt driven. That belt also runs other things. The water pump, the alternator charges the battery up to run the car's electronics. Maybe power steering if the car's equipped with hydraulic power steering. So if the belt goes around it and that component goes bad and won't turn anymore, well, you have to, because now the belt the belt needs to power the other accessories. So that's one reason you would have to do it. The other thing is, you ever get in a car on a certain climate type day or maybe at nighttime and the inside of the window is fogged up?
Yeah.
The reason when you start the car up and it clears up really, really fast is because the air conditioning compressor comes on. It dries the air out and it clears it out right away. Without the compressor, it may take a long time to clear that.
You'll be having your windshield wipers going, nothing will be happening because it's inside.
It's inside, and then you're trying to wipe it off. Yeah. But if the compressor works, it clears it right out.
Okay, so compressor really, really important for reasons other than just getting air conditioning in your face. So if yours needs repair, you bite the bullet. You're gonna have to get it done, and you might as well get it done at Weber Automotive because they're pretty good at fixing stuff, and there's a lot of neat warranties around things they do too that you will want to check out. We have some other videos on some of these amazing warranties, so you're gonna want to stop by the website for sure, weberautomotive.com. Check it out, and when you're ready, they can just bring their car in.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Randy.